In this video I'm going to show you how to change the water inlet seal on this Sage Barista coffee machine. The water inlet seal sits here at the back behind the water tank, below the water tank, and this one has been used a lot, probably about 3 years now, and the seal itself is worn and it leaks. This is the new water seal, which Sage are not very keen to sell to you directly. They would rather you went via their local agents, who will charge you between £60 and £100 to either come to your house and have this replaced or send it to them to have it replaced. The washer itself costs about 50p. So the only way to get one, I believe, would be to pester Sage to say that you can do the job yourself, or indeed try some of the other suppliers. I believe there's somewhere in the US you can get them from directly, and somewhere from New Zealand I've heard of you can get them directly. So you can try them and see, but the best bet I think is to pester Sage to say you want this part. They may indeed start to put it on their list of supplied parts. The first thing you have to do is release the 3 screws that are hidden underneath these little plastic caps. So I used a sharp knife to prise out the plastic cap itself, and once you get in there you can simply unscrew the screw that's down below. With those 3 screws taken out, turn the machine upside down, and then you have to release these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that hold on the feet underneath. With the feet removed, you can then get access to these 2 screws down here, 2 on this side and the same 2 on the other side, which will then release the base and allow you to get access to the washer itself. With those 4 screws out, you can release the base. Just give it a gentle pull and it should come up. Don't pull too hard because it's still connected by the wire underneath. You just need to move it out enough so you can see inside. So you can see in there this black plastic retainer. You just have to undo these 2 screws here, pull out, and the washer you need to change is underneath there. Just take the old washer out, put the new one in, and screw it all back together again, and that's the job done. And just for comparison, you'll see the old washer and the new washer. You see the old washer has a much bigger hole in it than the new washer, so that's why it's leaking. Just to prove it works, 2 lovely cups of coffee. Have fun, hope you have success.